There you go, so one bite, one rule. Or one rule, one whatever the fuck. It's the bone marrow hitting.
It's good.
But
It's very red.
yo, this lighting got you looking buff, my G. Got a nice little tan as well. Man of the hour.
Bro, I'm dusted. I'm dusted. Look at me, man of the hour, sitting at his laptop. Doesn't know what to do here, you know what I mean?
I did 15 on breakfast.
He was moving so brazy and confident until...
I can do 9 for one breakfast. Bro, should I do now? Do you want to see 9 now?
I want to see 9 first.
I didn't say 10, I said 9.
Fucking.
Broski, he weighs like 50 kg.
Yeah, but also. Nah, put your hands up. Yeah.
Let me do this.
No, stop.
Bro, if I do this, I break my back.
Put your hands here. Break my back. And do your 9 reps.
1,
1,
2.
I could have done like 2 more, but they would have been
9, bro. 5.
I can do this 9.
Maybe you're a grown man, bro. This is not.
Bro.
Oh man. The VIP, the mayor, the president, whoever you want to call it.
So this is the cart. This is the cart with the
Thank you, sir.
tomatoes, a bit of onion,
Thank you. That's enough. Yeah, that'll do.
and then we have the
Mozzarella with some tomatoes.
with the seasoned tomatoes.
And then he said something bell peppers with salsa verde and parmesan.
Exactly.
What are you saying now? What are you saying over there? What's that?
It's for you, my guy.
I will enjoy it.
Beautiful seafood pasta. Got demolished. Were we rating the hello mate? Were we rating the evening wish?
With you guys, it's always a 10 from 10.
Yes!
Like, hands down.
And food?
Really?
Huh?
10-10? But if you say 10-10, that means
We can't get better.
there's no room for better. Like,
No. I got my boys. No one can interfere.
Jeez, what a beautiful way to end it.
That's our mindset.
There's a spider on my bike.
Broski, how about you act like a grown man?
Bro, I understand this. I understand this.
It's gonna be spooky, huh? I got Spider-Man tonight. Yo, not.
Yo.
What is it? Bro,
Yo.
bro, please.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey.
I'm coming.
Ooh.
Where?
Yeah.
Yo, big wish. It's already been taken care of, G.
I was there. You see me.
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Some of that God curry, cucumber, rice and peas. I said rice and peas.
He said what? That would be solid food just for myself.
It's beautiful, beautiful brother. It's shining. And we're gonna have some sandwiches. I'm not even gonna bother pronouncing the name of it, but I'm sure I'll show you some clips and I'll probably plaster it on the screen right now. Recommendation came from Magnus. who said it's a dope little spot for supposedly the best sandwiches in Copenhagen. So it's a lovely little lunch, and then we'll see where we go from there.
First of all, let me see what that sandwich is in. Lecker? Lecker. Lecker schmecker. Elevated subway.
Movie, Toyboy. This Actionkutscher, early 2000s, good looking, blah blah blah. And he pulls up to Hollywood and doesn't have a flat, nothing. So he's going to these rich parties and then always pulls like these random chicks, like maybe plus 40, blah blah blah, big ass cribs, sugar mommies, and they're taking care of him for months, weeks, months, until he then is not like in the mood anymore.
Gotcha.
And he goes to the next party,
Gets a new one.
until he meets a lady where he fell in love with, and she's doing the same, but on the other side.
You just poured the whole movie for me.
I'm sorry. It's great. It used to be one of my favorite movies. But I
can tell.
This weekend.
I can tell.
It's not a movie anymore.
It's not a movie anymore. It's a real life.
He doesn't need to act. He loves beer.
So
Talk to me. Talk to me. What are the...
So it got a little bit of like a hazy flavor. But it also, like in the second sense, it's a bit juicy, you know what I mean? Juicy, fruity, with a bit of tropical influences.
You just reading off the back of the... He's just reading off the back of the can.
It's only 3 words. He's like,
What are you wearing today, G? What are you wearing today?
we're wearing today.
Talk to me.
So,
Wait, are we starting from the bottom?
some of the kicks here. Magellas,
Okay.
cozy.
Okay.
Jeans, that's actually the women's section, of course. Same here, cozy light pants. And the waistcoat that is flying around all day, flipping and flapping. That's our legacy.
Oh, is that a legacy? That's sick. You love that brand, G.
Like this, I'm waiting for my ambassadorship. Coming yet.
Where the shades from?
The shades are Jimmy.
Okay, and then most importantly, what's that around your neck, G?
My neck. Aye. A Koyama, you get me. Own little brand. So yeah. That's the day.
There you go. Beautiful. Big Z, what are you saying, G? What's that?
I cannot do that. I'm not even the nerd that came out of my room.
You're shining. Talk to him. What's going on with the fit today? I'm gonna need a quick. I'm gonna need a breakdown.
We start with the crepes.
Start on the crepes, the Balencis.
Okay.
Never came out on Adidas site.
Please. Exclusives.
Nah, exclusives. Bro, exclusives.
All right. Talk to him.
Then we have the little 2J's Zara jorts. 2J's, let's go. Then we have the little shirt for my man Brian. I don't know the brand. What is the brand's name?
That's for 23.
What he's saying.
Get Italian.
Get me. But I fell in love with the shirt. Then we have the little white tee from Uniqlo.
Sick. What's the hat saying?
They had the saying vintage as well. They had the saying Atlanta 1996. Let's
Olympics.
go. Olympics. You know why?
Staying on brand.
Because we're athletes. We have the little Atlas Studios bag.
Nice.
Let's go.
And then shades.
The shades, I also bought them. Nothing special. I think I just bought them out of Instagram. Yeah.
All right. Cool. And then what's that around your neck, real quick?
Bro, Ayoka, let's go. I'm waiting for the next drop. You know what I mean?
Hey.
I'm waiting for the next drop. The boys need to pull up. You pull up like this, everyone knows.
Just put it on properly, fam. What's wrong with you?
I literally, I could go out like
There's
this.
no chance this goes.
I could go out like this. They would say, it's a strong fit. You bro.
Let's pull.
I would never pull.
This man's never put a beanie on in his life, my G. What is this?
I put this over my hat, bro. My hair is gonna squish in, bro, and it's done.
Go on, let's see it.
Done forever.
What do you mean? You want me to look like a bum for the rest of the day, bro? Just so you have a little moment.
But
This
literally,
is the most I can give you.
I can pull this tonight in Soho like this. It's a fit.
Tell him.
It's all about confidence.
What else? What else? Drop some wisdom on these motherfuckers.
Wisdom. So, if you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you perform good. And it's the best of your life. You know what I mean?
Wismical wisdom.
This icon shit.
From the icon.
Okay, so I do feel like I owe you a little bit of context from me jumping from Copenhagen to Italy in order to oversee the production of the Riot Boots and some of the upcoming samples which I'm going to be showcasing. As some of you might already know, the Riot Boots have now been released and they are out and open to the world. So this is what they look like. I'm absolutely buzzing. Like buzzing. In fact, the last video that you would have seen on YouTube is actually the sort of making of, or the early stages. But this is what the finished product looks like. I'm not actually going to be dedicating this video to these boots, but basically I still wanted to show you guys some of the behind the scenes of the making of the boots. In fact, there's only a few stages that I'm able to showcase. One of them being all the different layers that this boot has. As you can see, it's consistent of 3 layers. You have the outer leather. In the middle, we have this wool piece, which adds some extra warmth and some extra thickness. And finally, you have the lining. So it's actually a 3-layer boot, which I'd say is perfect for the upcoming fall winter. And on that note, I actually wanted to let this video roll out because I'm such a big fan of these machinery and the sound they make, and it's absolutely incredible to just witness. And yeah, just enjoy. So then essentially, crazy difference, especially when put next to each other.
It's different. This is pure natural. No. Anche qui c'è un...
Man, these are so good. And this boot right here is the Trapper Vintage Brown version of the Riot Boots. I'm speechless, bro. It's weird, like I don't feel like speaking too much about it because I fully understand the sense of bias that I have. And I feel like you as a viewer potentially also feel that way, which might make it sound like whatever I'm saying is BS. But fuck me, these are so good. These don't have a release date yet, but hopefully they will be out before the end of this year. At least that's the plan. And yeah, man, I'm really excited about these boots. I'm really excited about posting this video today. And that's all I have. In fact, actually, if you've made it all this way, let me show you the final sample. the final version prior to the official announcement, but we also have them in this insane fur variation. Buzzing, I'm telling you, buzzing. I'm gonna be busting these out all winter, man. These, and those right here. And that is that from me. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace.